former Union Minister Milind Deora has been quoted by the Indian Express, says that Rahul Gandhi's advisors were an inexperienced lot who were calling the shots. But indirectly, the Union Minister also took on people taking advice. Meanwhile, ally the NCP says that an individual cannot alone be held responsible for the defeat, but instead the party should take collective responsibility.
तो उसके लिए मुझे लगता नहीं कि किसी एक पर्टिकुलर व्यक्ति को, चाहे वो राहुल गांधी हो, चाहे मनमोहन सिंह हो, चाहे सोनिया हो या चाहे कोई मंत्री हो, किसी एक व्यक्ति को इसकी पूरी जिम्मेदारी दे देना उचित नहीं होगा। सारा संगठन इसके लिए जिम्मेदार है, कार्यकर्ता से लेकर मंत्रीगण के सारे मंत्री परिषद के सारे लोग और प्रधानमंत्री खुद और अध्यक्षा और उपाध्यक्ष और ये हमारे मिलिंद देवरा जो खुद एक मंत्री और खासदार हैं, ये सब जिम्मेदार हैं, कोई कम कोई ज्यादा। अगर एक आरोप और प्रत्यारोप करने से कुछ नहीं होगा, एक कलेक्टिव इंट्रोस्पेक्शन की आवश्यकता है। यूपीए के प्रमुख दल की हैसियत से कांग्रेस ने इस जिम्मेदारी को बड़ी सोबर तरीके से, डिसेंट तरीके से एक्सेप्ट कर लेनी चाहिए।
Well, this perhaps, of course, is the first open criticism that's coming in from within the Congress party after the party's crushing electoral defeat. Now, the former Union Minister Milind Deora said on Wednesday that Rahul Gandhi's advisors did not have their ears to the ground and those with no electoral experience were calling the shots. But he also went on to add that people who take advice also have to bear some amount of responsibility. He was speaking to the Indian Express. Deora, who also lost from the Mumbai South constituency, said while many factors led to the party's defeat and Rahul Gandhi's leadership alone cannot be blamed, it was not about one person's image rather, but the people surrounding that person. Also, this of course is perhaps the first open criticism. Well, Kajal is on the phone line with me now. Kajal, this perhaps is the first sort of open criticism that we are seeing from within the Congress party, also saying that his advisors, that is Rahul Gandhi's advisors, did not have their ears to the ground.
Yes, in fact, it is all the more significant because Milind Deora is part of the young brigade of the Congress, which was naturally supposed to be close to Rahul Gandhi. So for someone like Milind Deora to actually come out and say that Rahul Gandhi's advisors did not have their ears to the ground is a powerful indictment of Rahul Gandhi's advisors. And not just that, it shows that there were murmurs in the party even during the campaign and much before the election campaign about these advisors of Rahul Gandhi. However, people had not come out and said things during the campaign. What is also significant is that Milind Deora is generally perceived to be close to Rahul Gandhi, and that is why for him to say something means that Rahul Gandhi and the other advisors in Congress will have to listen up.
Right, Kajal, thank you for joining us.